And even though there may be tens of thousands that are drawn up against me on every side, I will not fear. Verse 7 tells us more of David's prayer. Arise, O Lord, deliver me, O my God. I want you to act, Lord. Do it now. Please. I know you promised. I'm here waiting. Now, it's easy to kind of look at that and sit back and be somewhat critical and say, well, David really should be more patient. Why is he in such a hurry? He just needs to have a calmness, a peace about this. The Lord's going to take care of it. Hey, he's already declared the peace. I can sleep at night. When David is saying, arise, O Lord, deliver me, O my God, this doesn't come out of angst. This is a declaration of faith that I am not going to try to fight the battle. The battle belongs to the Lord. Arise, O Lord. Deliver me, O my God. Strike all my enemies on the jaw. The word here, the imagery here, is exactly what Jesus refers to when he says if someone strikes you on one cheek, turn to him the other also. The idea of break the teeth of the wicked. Wow, that's a little harsh. Hey, remember, these guys are trying to kill him. The imagery is what ancient cultures would do when they would capture a lion or a tiger and they would bring it to the king. It was a symbol of victory. And they would break the teeth, the big canines of those big cats. It was rendered subdued and given to the king. Break the teeth of the wicked. Verse 8, from Yahweh comes deliverance. May your blessing be on the people. The Bible tells us that David was a man after God's own heart, right? I want you to look at his perspective right here at the end. The whole nation is turned against him. His own son is leading the coup. We've already identified the fact that he doesn't know who and how many his enemies are. He's fleeing barefoot. You want to know the heart of David? It's right there. He's praying for the people. He has a shepherd's heart. He's praying for his flock. And then, don't let it escape your notice that right at the end of the psalm's done. Why put another Salah right at the end of the psalm? It's done. Well, in part, I think what David is saying, or what the Spirit working through David is communicating is, hey, don't be so quick to jump on over and start reading Psalm 4. Let this sink in. Scholars think that the Salah at the very end of the psalm also served another function. There are a lot of folks here that grew up in the same era as me, listening to music from pop music from the 60s, 70s, 80s, changed starting about the beginning of the 90s. All right, help me out here. Every single song that was played on the radio in the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, every pop song that played, how did it end? It faded. Yeah. It was the same, that final line, over and over and over, and it just faded out. That may be the idea of the Salah right here. So apply that. What's the last line? May your blessing be on the people. May your blessing be on the people. May your blessing be on the people. May your blessing. Thou, O Lord, art our shield, God.